guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make this cute little Barney bookmarker. So what you're gonna need two kinds of yarn. So I used a different kind of yarn for the body and for the head and the little bow tie over here. You're also gonna need some safety eyes, and also I used a crochet hook which is 2.25 millimeters. Okay, so that it's neat. Okay, and that's all you're gonna need. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the head, and for the head we're going to start with the magic ring, and then we're going to do 6 single crochet into the magic ring. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I'm going to pull my yarn to close the gap. Okay, so after that, in our second row, we are going to increase each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 single crochet in the row. So you're going to go into the first stitch and do 2 single crochet, 2, 'kay, then you're going to go into the other stitch to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so you're going to continue like that until the end. So you're going to increase also in the next stitch. Okay, so continue like that. Also increase the remaining 3 stitches until here at the end. Okay, so after that, in our third row, we're going to do single crochet in the next stitch, then increase in the next, single crochet, increase, and repeat all the way around for a total of 18 stitches. So we're going to do single crochet and then increase in the next stitch. So we're going to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so you're going to repeat that again. So you're going to do single crochet and increase, okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way around until here at the end. So you're going to do single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase until here at the end. Okay, so after that, in our fourth row, we're going to do single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then increase in the next, and repeat all the way around for a total of 24 stitches. So we're going to do single crochet, 1, 2, then increase in the next stitch. So you're going to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so you're going to repeat that again. So single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then increase in the next. Okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way around until here at the end. Okay, so after that, in our fifth row, we are going to do single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then increase in the next, and then repeat that all the way around 6 times for a total of 30 stitches. So we're going to do single crochet, 1, 2, 3, okay, then increase in the next, okay, and then you're going to repeat that again. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and increase in the next. Okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way around until here at the end. Okay, so after you're done with that, in our next 4 rows, which is row 6 until row 9, you're going to do single crochet all the way around for a total of 30 stitches in each row. So I'll see you when you're done with your 9th row so that I show you how to do the 10th row. Okay, so after you're done with row 9, in row 10 we are going to start decreasing. Okay, so we're going to do 3 single crochet, then decrease in the next 2 stitches and repeat the same pattern all around for a total of 24 stitches. So you're going to do 1, 2 and 3 single crochet, and then we're going to decrease in the next 2 stitches. So you're going to go in the first in the front loop of the first stitch, pull through, and then the front loop of the second stitch, pull through and pull through all the way around. Okay, and then you're going to repeat that again. So you're going to do single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and then decrease in the next 2 stitches. So you're going to go in the front loop of both stitches, pull through. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same pattern all around until here at the end. Okay, so after that, in our 11th row, we are going to do single crochet in the next 2 stitches, then decrease and repeat all the way around for a total of 18 stitches. So we're going to do single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then decrease. So you're going to go in the front loop of the next 2 stitches and pull through. Okay, so you're going to repeat the same thing all around. So 2 single crochet, decrease, 2 single crochet, decrease until here at the end. Okay, so after you're done with that, in our next row, which is our 12th row, we're going to do single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease, and repeat all the way around for a total of 12 single crochets. So we're going to do single crochet and then decrease in the next 2 stitches. Okay, and then repeat that again. So you're going to do single crochet and then decrease in the next stitches. Okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way until here at the end for a total of 12 stitches. Okay, so after you're done with that row, please make sure you stuff your head all the way around until the end. And then in our next row, which is our last row, you're going to decrease all the way around and then cut your yarn, and then I'm going to show you how to make the ears. Okay, so after you're done with the head, this is how it should look like. So now we're going to start making the ears, and for the ears we're going to start with a chain 11. So this is a chain 11, and then we're going to start from the 3rd chain from the hook. So you're going to count 1, 2, and then start in the 3rd chain, and we're going to make double crochet in the 3rd chain. Going to do double crochet, okay, and also so you're going to repeat double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So that is double crochet 1, and then you're going to make 7 more double crochets. So you're going to do double crochet 2, double crochet 3, okay, double crochet 4, okay, so repeat that until you have until here you have 1 chain remaining here at the end. So you're going to do all double crochet. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4 more double crochets, and then I'll show you how to do the last chain. Okay, so after you're done with your double crochets in the last chain, we're going to do 6 double crochets in the same chain. Okay, so we're going to do 1, 2 double crochet, 3 in the same chain, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. Okay, so after that we're going to start working in the remaining 8 chains on the other side. So we're going to do 8 double crochets in the remaining 8 stitches. So you're going to do double crochet in each stitch. So you're going to do in the next one and do a double crochet, okay, do a double crochet in the next one too, okay, do another double crochet in the next one too, okay. So you're going to do double crochet all the way around until here at the end, and then after you're done with that, you're going to cut off your yarn, and I'll show you how to do the body. So now we're going to start with the body, and for the body we are going to do a chain 42. So I already did that. So after you do your chain 42, we're going to start from the 3rd chain from the hook. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and over here we're going to start doing our double crochets. So we're going to do double crochets all the way through in our work. So you're going to do your double crochet, okay. So also you're going to repeat that and do double crochet, another double crochet, okay, do another double crochet in the next stitch, okay. So you're going to continue doing your double crochet all the way through until you have 1 stitch remaining here at the end, and then I'll show you how to do the last stitch here at the end. Okay, so after you're done with your double crochets, in the last stitch here at the end, we're going to do 6 double crochets in that stitch. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. Okay, so after that we're going to start working on this other side, and the same case on the other side. We're going to do double crochet in every stitch except the last stitch. Okay, so we're going to do double crochet in the next chain on the opposite direction. Okay, so you're going to do also double crochet. Okay, so you're going to continue like that with double crochets until you get to the end. Double crochet, double crochet. Okay, so continue like that until you have the last chain here at the end remaining, and then I'll show you how to do the last chain. So you're going to do double crochet all the way round. Okay, so after you're done with your double crochets on the other side, in the last chain we're going to we're going to do 5 half double crochets in the same chain. So we're going to do 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Okay, so after you're done with it, we're going to slip stitch in the next stitch and cut off the yarn like that and weave at the end. Okay, so there we have it. So it's going to be that size. So after that, I'm going to show you how to make the tail, and the tail is quite easy. So for the tail, you're going to start with a magic ring, and then we're going to do 6 single crochets into the magic ring. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then I'm going to pull my yarn. Okay, so after that, in the second row, which is also the last row, you're going to increase all the way around for a total of 12 single crochets. So you're going to go into the first stitch and do two single crochets in the same stitch. So we're going to do single crochets. Okay, go in the next stitch, do 2 single crochets. Okay, also 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so you're going to do 2 single crochet also in the remaining 3 stitches, and when you're done, you're going to cut off your yarn, and then I'll show you how to assemble all the parts together. Okay, so guys, for joining, you're going to put the head here at the top. So you're just going to sew the end of the body and the end of the head together. Okay, and then for the face, I made the nose. I embroidered like a T for the nose, and then I used some little ears. I think it's 2 millimeters. I think the smallest ears, the smallest eyes, I mean 2 millimeters eyes. And then for the ears, you just fold them here at the bottom and put them here in the second row of the head, from the head. So that's how it's gonna look like. Okay, and then I made a little bow tie to make it look a little bit better. So the bow tie, I just did a chain 10 and did 3 rows of double crochets, and then I folded it here at the center. Okay, and then also for the tail, you just sew it here at the bottom using a needle. So you just sew the bottom of the body and the bottom of the tail together. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoy this bookmark. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can check out my other videos. Until next time, bye.